So my name is Candace and I'm the Business Engagement Specialist for the Construction faculty. So students like to get out and about to learn. They don't like learning directly in a classroom setting, particularly the type of construction students are more hands-on students than the other subjects. So they could be national or small one-man band type employers. And we work with them in all different ways. So the larger international or national companies, they have social value targets to hit that the government sets them. So they like to work within the community with us. An employer advisory board is when we get the employers to come in and speak about what they would like to see offered in the curriculum to meet their needs as employers, so that the students are skilled up and ready for when they go out into industry and they can fit in better straight into the workplace. So you should be attending that course for a higher education, higher technical qualification would be, let's say, an architectural assistant, building surveyors, it might be project managers, any of those higher construction roles that wouldn't necessarily be a hands-on role on the building site, or it might be even office-based within the construction company. So usually for the high technical qualifications, it would be down to the employer to fund the course if they were to put an employee onto the course. It is also open to individuals if they'd like to come on and pay for themselves. The CITB, which is the Construction Industry Training Board, does fund the courses, and our courses are eligible to be fully funded, which can make it cost neutral for an employer. So actually, yes, it's not costing the employer anything. We're quite flexible with how we offer the course. Some of the more theory-based elements of the course would be delivered online, and the more practical elements, we have a range of campuses, so they can come to those campuses to do the face-to-face elements of the course. The employers that I work with them quite flexibly. Out in industry, time is money, and I understand that, so I'd work with an employer in a way that suits them really. If they want to come in and talent spot for their next recruitment drive, then I'd say, come in, start that early, come and do a talk to the students and get to know them in the classroom setting. I'd say, if you want to have a tutor out with you for the day shadowing you, so that tutor can have some continued professional development, then the tutor can come out. You can build that relationship with the tutor directly then. Yeah, there's lots of ways, and we make it quite easy because I understand, that it's more of a client view that I take on it. With all our courses, not just in construction, across the whole of Activate Learning, we try and incorporate sustainability and net zero targets into those as much as possible. But obviously in the construction industry, it's a huge part of it. So again, with the latest industry developments, we incorporate as much as we can for tutors and for the learners as well, because it's continuously changing. So the tutors need that up-to-date knowledge brought into the classroom.